Hey everybody, Dewey here and welcome back to the channel. I know, I have been MIA, I haven't talked to you guys in a while, but that's because I have been very busy this summer. Work's been crazy, moved in with my fiance, and we are planning our wedding. That's coming up very soon. Whew. Alright. But today I wanted to show you guys my new office since I did move in with her. So I want to show you guys the new office and what it looks like, because I feel like majority of people think it has to be anything fancy with all the YouTubers and content creators out there. This is just an average guy's office. Everything here I bought, I researched, and I saved my money to buy it. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's take a look. Cooper, come on. Alright, let's talk about my complete setup here. You can see it in the background here, but I'll throw up some video of it. Alright, let's start with the computer. This computer I built myself, researched it thanks to all the YouTubers out there that I watched, because without them I probably wouldn't have been able to do this. So let's start with the CPU I went with. After a while, after doing some research, I ended up going with the AMD Ryzen 3900X. I got it on sale, thank God, otherwise it would have been pretty expensive. And I paired that up with an Asus 2080 Super. Those work amazing together. I have no issues with editing 4K video, no issues with messing with Lightroom and running multiple Adobe software all at the same time. So I'm really enjoying it. To help that, I currently have 32 gigs of Crucial Ballistix Sports LT RAM at 3200 speed, and it's CL16 latency. So with that, it's really helpful. I don't know, my computer is just really fast. So for my storage, I 3 SSDs written there. My main boot drive is a Crucial P1 500 NVMe SSD, and then one of my hard drives is a Crucial MX 500 1TB, and I also have another 1TB Intel SSD in there. Got them all on sale, that's why they're all different brands. But with everything moving forward to SSDs, they're actually not as expensive anymore, and the read and write speeds are super fast compared to your normal hard drives. Alright, with that, let's talk about the motherboard. The motherboard I am running is an Asus Prime X570P ATX motherboard, and it's all put together in a Cougar MX330G mid tower. I painted some parts of it white just to give it a black and white theme, and in there to power everything up It is Seasonic Focus Gold 750 watt 80 plus certified semi-modular power supply. No issues with it. Everything is running smoothly. And then to keep everything cool, my CPU cooler is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 RGB. You know, give it a little bling. And then along with that, I have actually 3 exhaust fans, and those are the Deep Cool RF 120 millimeter fans. Those are my exhaust fans. And for my intake fans, I actually have 2 120 Noctua fans. I think they're the high rev versions. I can't remember what they're called, but I will link everything that I used to build this computer in the description, so you guys can take a look at that. And then for my peripherals, I am using Logitech mouse and keyboard. The keyboard is the G613 and the mouse is the G305. They work great. And then for my streaming setup, actually I am using, I'm not using a mirrorless camera like majority of people are, or majority of bigger streamers are. I'm filming this on a mirrorless camera and I enjoy them, but I just prefer to having a smaller camera up there that works just as well. So and I don't have to worry about overheating. So currently I am using the Logitech C390E 1080p webcam, and then I have I have one LED light to, you know, a key light for my face so you guys can see it, and then I actually have 2 monitors that I use. So for my gaming monitor, I have the LG 27 GL8. Okay, let me start over. LG 27 GL83A-B, and it's a 27-inch monitor. It's 2560 by 1440, and it's at 144 hertz. It is also an IPS monitor, so it is fantastic. And then for my editing monitor, well, this is the one where I edit all my videos, my photos, and everything. And with that, I have the Dell S2719DM 27-inch monitor, and that's also a 2560 by 1440 monitor. It is very color accurate. I really didn't have to do much with color calibration. Oh, that was a hard word. So it works really well. And then for my microphones, my microphone, I actually use the Elgato Wave 1. They have another one, it's called the Elgato Wave 3. It is great. Both microphones are great, but after reading the specs, I didn't really need to overspend on the Wave 3 because I just needed a basic microphone. And for my headset, my headphones that I use while I'm gaming or listening to audio while I'm editing video is the Corsair, what is it called? Corsair HS60 Pro. It's pretty good. My fiance gives me crap about not hearing her walk in the office because I can't hear anything once I have them on other than what's playing, so it's really great. Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And then probably the next video I'll post will be gaming footage. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.